There's that point in the 23rd Psalm when it says, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. And that is the point where we go into much ado, right? Because if you're walking through the shadow of death, that means death is close enough to you that you can feel its shadow on you or somebody you love. And I'm not making light, nor did Jesus make light of the crisis. It is very real. We're human beings. And when that day comes in your life, either you or someone you really love and care about, and they're walking through the valley of the shadow of death, notice it is a comma, not drama. You always need, when that report comes, to put a comma. Not make much ado, oh my God, oh my God. You can have a moment like that, but then pull yourself together and remember, that's not everything. He's everything. Because the rest of it says, drop the drama and go with the comma. I got bad news, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.